let's sleep on it, okay?
Sleep on it.
I'll sleep on it I'll sleep on it ន័យត្រង់របស់ប្រយោគនេះគឺខ្ញុំនឹងគេងឬដេកលើវាន័យធៀបរបស់វាគឺខ្ញុំនឹងគិតពិចារណាពីវាសិនហើយថ្ងៃស្អែកខ្ញុំនឹងសម្រេចចិត្តអំពីវាយើងប្រើ clear sleep on it ដើម្បីនិយាយថាយើងចង់ពន្យាពេលការសម្រេចចិត្តរបស់យើងដើម្បីយើងមានពេលគិតពីវាមួយយប់ហើយយើងអាចសម្រេចចិត្តពីវានៅថ្ងៃបន្ទាប់ឧទាហរណ៍ Lee Hong You're still going to the movie with me tomorrow, right? You're still going to the movie with me tomorrow, right? Cal, can I sleep on it? I have so many things that need to be done today. Can I sleep on it? I have so many things that need to be done today. មានន័យថា Lee Hong អ្នកនឹងទៅមើលភាពយន្តជាមួយខ្ញុំនៅថ្ងៃស្អែកដដែលមែនអត់ Cal តើខ្ញុំអាចសំគិតពិចារណាពីវាសិនហើយថ្ងៃស្អែកខ្ញុំនឹងសម្រេចចិត្តថាទៅឬមិនទៅបានទេខ្ញុំមានរឿងជាច្រើនដែលចាំបាច់ត្រូវតែធ្វើនៅថ្ងៃនេះ
I'll have to sleep on that.
Not sure yet. We'll have to sleep on it.
Fine. I'll sleep on the floor.
I'll let the guilty party sleep on.
I'll sleep on it.
Sleep on it.
I'll sleep on the floor.
Sleep on the couch.
Sleep on the couch.
We'll sleep on the couch.
I'll let you sleep on it.
Okay, I'll sleep on it. All right.
I'll let you sleep on it.
I'll have to sleep on it.
Yes, I'll sleep on it.